Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in West Sussex and wanted to show you around what looks like an old school building. So a repeat client of ours that's had a number of buildings off of us. In fact, if I show behind me, we've got another building here which is around about, we think, 20 years old. They had here a lovely kestrel, but it fell into disrepair with her husband's long-term illness and demise, and she wanted a direct replacement, and it's been a real pleasure to actually physically dust off my work stuff and get onto the tools and help the team create this. We don't even have the machinery anymore to create the Georgian windows. All the trenching stuff is all gone, so it's been real fun, handmade. Loglap kestrel, one of our old school buildings, the kind of thing we used to make 35 years ago, founded in 85. This was probably a high-end building in the late 80s that me and Dad used to build, so this has been real fun to fulfill this client's requirements and go back to the old school 12-foot wide, 10-foot deep Loglap kestrel with the old window boxes inside. We've done a nice large workbench along the back. Of course, it's unlined. This is purely just for a summer house kind of use and workshop storage. And we've even done a nice felt tiled roof on the top. The smell inside reminds me of the old factory me and Dad used to have back in the late 80s, early 90s. And yeah, just a real pleasure to fulfill this building. I would say if you're interested in this, please do let me know. But I'll be honest with you, this is a one-off. It's been lovely working with this client and fulfilling her requirements and working with her, but not sure we would do it again. But it's been really good fun. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. And here's a building taking us back to the late 80s, our Kestrel Summerhouse.